Hi, Brandon.Ragan coming from Guaranty RV. Here to look at the 2018 Salem Forest River 243 BHXL. So I want to point out a couple of things on this unit. It's going to be wood framed with metal siding. Up front here you'll see it's got the power front tongue jack, room for 2 propanes and for 2 batteries. Here you've got a rock guard and prep for Zamp solar. It's going to have a full pass-through storage to put a lot of that camping gear. And then the power awning that covers the door. It's a double axle, and coming around this edge here, you're going to see our outside kitchen. So it's got a little sink that'll pull out, your fridge. Now coming inside, you're going to see you have the walk-around queen bed with storage on each side, and that's where you'll hang your coats, jackets, shirts. TV will be mounted right here, and it's got your CD, DVD, USB system. Underneath the entertainment center, you're going to have lots of storage, put magazines, books, and lots of plugins in this coach. Now coming around over here by the U-shaped dinette, you're going to see you've got a pull-out drawer here, and this will actually fold down into a bed as well. And this sits in the slide out, so you could fit 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 people around for breakfast or dinner. Here you'll see it's got the double sink, and then lots of storage up above for popcorn, canned foods, all the things you want to go camping with. So around this way under the sink, you'll see you have more storage, and then you're also going to have a flip up counter there just to give you more prep area when you want to cook, and then lots of drawers. It's going to have the 3-burner stove and then the oven. Here you'll have your Dometic fridge and freezer, and this has the wide bunks. So even a bigger adult like myself can sleep here comfortably. So if you want to come around this way, I'll open up the bathroom. So it's got the standard tub with the shower, opposing sink, and then a little bit more storage above the sink and below. Now it's got a Dometic air conditioner, kind of like at home. You can set the temperature, and then speakers for when you want to listen to the TV. So just a great bunkhouse to get you and the family out camping. If you have any more questions, call Brandon.Ragan at Guaranty RV, 541-214-0223. Thank you.